Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to the channel. So, can you put wheel spacer on the rail only? You can install wheel spacers for the rail only, but it must be noticed that the wheel spacers you install for the left or right should be in the same thickness or data, so as to avoid damaging the balance of the vehicle.
With BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers on, you can fill the gap in your fenders and get a more aggressive and powerful look. BONOSS has over 10 years of professional design and manufacturing experience. We have sufficient inventory to ensure faster delivery and customize wheel spacers only in 3 days. After-sales warranty for 10 years will be more rest assured. BONOSS wheel spacers provide higher performance, more additional functions, faster customized service, which is your best choice.
So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave the comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.